going to do our layers of liquid experiment. First, put a little, this much cooking oil into a big jar. Next, add in some honey. Add in some syrup or honey. This takes a long time.
Because it's thick.
Yeah, and it sticks to the cup. Now, give it a minute to settle. Now, as you can see, the honey settles on the bottom. And the oil floats on top. But look what happens when we add in water. It doesn't go to the bottom. It floats on the bottom, and the oil floats on top of it.
Can you pour all this to this cup? See what happens. Because it's clearer. Everything, yeah. I think you can add more honey. Because it was not enough honey. Add more honey. Yeah.
And let's add more honey to this. You can see it more clearly in this cup. That should be enough.
So, what is the result?
This is our layers of liquid. As you can see, the water floats. As you can see, the water floats on top. As you can see, the water floats on top of the honey, and the oil floats on top of the water.
So the water in between oil and the honey.
Yes.
So why?
Why? Why, you ask? So
why?
The answer is the syrup is thicker.
Heavier, I mean.
The syrup is thicker and heavier than all the other liquids.
So water is next, heavier.
Actually, the honey is more dense than the water, so it floats on the very bottom. So it sits on the very bottom. The water, a little less dense than our honey. The oil is the least dense of all three, so it floats on top of everything.
Angelina?
And that is the answer.
Okay, so what is this experiment called?
It's called layers of liquid.
Okay. And what do you want to say to the people?
Okay.
You want people to do the same experiment?
If you want to do this experiment by yourself, you need syrup or honey and water, oil. You don't need olive oil, but you need vegetable oil or any other kind of oil.
Why not olive oil? You're using olive oil. This is olive oil.
No, I meant that you don't have to have
Oh, yeah, any kind of oil. Okay.
Any kind of oil will do. And I'm Angelina from AngelinaScienceExperiments.com. If you want, have fun doing your experiments.
Very good. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old, and
you love science?